Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a video answering a question that you have left me. Someone has written that in his vehicle, lately, the symbol of the battery on the dashboard, this is the symbol, okay, and ask, let's see, if you have to change the battery. Because it is already many years old, let's see one thing, when that symbol lights up. What the vehicle's computer is telling you, is that while you are driving, the car is supplying itself with the battery charge, and that is an anomaly, because the vehicle only uses the battery charge to start the vehicle, nothing more. Once the car is started, already with the movement of the engine, the alternator transforms that mechanical energy into electrical energy and supplies electricity to all the electrical systems of the vehicle and, in turn, also charges the battery. If that symbol lights up, the problem comes from the alternator. Although it could also be a problem with the fuse or the wiring, okay, it should be checked. But I already said that when that light comes on, it is not that there is a problem with the battery, but that there is not enough or not enough electricity to supply the electrical systems of the car. And therefore, the car is using the charge of the battery. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.